Hi kids, today we will do a new activity from your splash book. Now all of you take out your splash book, it's page number 15. Let's read the instruction first. A colorful bird. Tear small pieces of colored paper from an old magazine. Paste them on the bird to complete the picture, then color the picture. So first we have to tear some small pieces of a colorful paper like this. You can take papers from old newspapers or old magazines. Now I am going to do this activity. I will do this activity on a white paper, but you have to do this on your splash book. Now I will put some glue on this part. Then I will paste these papers here like this. Then I will paste some yellow color pieces for the body. For this lower part, I will use some light green pieces. And now for the wing, I will use this dark green pieces. Like this. Now I will take a red crayon for the beak. And for the feet, I will use a light brown crayon. Now take a black sketch pen and make its eye. See, my bird is complete. Now I will color the picture. I will take a green crayon for the trees. These are pine trees. And for the mountain, I will use a light sky color crayon. Now take a deep brown crayon for the branch. See, my collage is ready. So it is your homework. In this way, you have to do this activity in your book. And you can also make a collage like this. And kids, when you do this activity, make a video of it and send it to our video group. Okay kids, next day we will do some new things. Bye kids.